Adding and subtracting radicals. When we add and subtract radicals, they must have the same radicand, which is the number under the radical symbol. So the first example, 2 square roots of 3 plus 5 square roots of 3. We can add these together because they have the same radicand, and we would get 7 square roots of 3. The same applies to subtraction. 2 times the square root of 3 minus 5 square roots of 3 results in negative 3 square roots of 3. But sometimes when we add and subtract radicals, we start off with different radicands. So we need to, different numbers under the radical sign. So we need to simplify them and see if we can combine them. So here we have 2 times the square root of 54 plus 5 times the square root of 8 minus 2 square roots of 18. So we're first going to simplify each radical. The square root of 54 is the square root of 9 times the square root of 6. The square root of 9 is 3 times the square root of 6. So instead of writing the square root of 54, I can simplify that to 3 square roots of 6. The square root of 8 can be written as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. The square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of 2. So the square root of 8 is simplified as 2 square roots of 2. To simplify the square root of 18, we can factor out a 9 and a 2, which would result in 3 square roots of 2. So the square root of 18 can be simplified to 3 square roots of 2. So now we've simplified the radicals, but they have numbers in front of them that they're being multiplied by, so we need to combine those. So 2 square roots of 54 is the same as 2 times 3 square roots of 6, which is 6 square roots of 6. 5 square roots of 8 is the same as 5 times 2 square roots of 2, which is 10 square roots of 2. And 2 square roots of 18 is the same as 2 times 3 square roots of 2, which is 6 square roots of 2. So now that we've simplified them, we see 2 of the 3 radicands have the same number, and they can be combined. We have a square root of 6 here, square root of 2, and a square root of 2. We can't do anything with that, so we're just going to leave that as 6 square roots of 2. But we can combine 10 square roots of 2 minus 6 square roots of 2 and get 4 square roots of 2. So 2 square roots of 54 plus 5 square roots of 8 minus 2 square roots of 18 is equal to 6 square roots of 6 plus 4 square roots of 2.